Hi, third graders. Welcome to math. Today's learning target is I can draw pictures and solve word problems. So let's look at some word problems. 5 children share 15 toys equally. How many toys does each child get? How many toys are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we think of sharing 15 toys with 5 children, how many would they each get? So here we're thinking of 15 divided by 5. So think in your head, how many times do you have to count by 5 to get to 15? If you said 3, you are right. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Are there any toys left over? No. Let's go on to our next one. Hot dogs buns are sold 8 to a package. There are 24 hot dog buns. How many packages are there? And how many leftover buns are there? Well, there's 8 in this package. And here's another 8. And 8 and 8 make 16. So we have another 8. What's 16 plus 8? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, so we have 3, not hot dog buns, but 3 packages. Okay, 3 packages. We got to 24 and there were no buns left over, so 0 buns are left over. Let's keep going here. 4 people are playing with a deck of 30 cards. The dealer gives the same number of cards to each player. How many cards does each player get? How many cards are left over? All right, so let's think here. The problem we are trying to figure out is 30 divided by 4. How many times do we have to count by 4 to get to 30 without going over? Because we would run out of cards. We only have 30 cards. So let's count by 4s. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're getting closer. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm counting on 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Uh-oh, I can't go another 4. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And I don't have 32 cards, so I can't do that. So let's count how many cards each person would get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. And then how many cards are left over? That's called our remainder. Well, we got to 28 cards, and we have 30 cards. So count up 28, 29, 30. If we counted 2 more, that would get us to 30. So we have 2 cards left over that nobody gets. All right, third graders, let's go to our journal page. We are on journal page 86. Let's do some together, and then you can work on your own. 1A. Roberto has 3 packages of pencils. There are 12 pencils in each package. How many pencils does Roberto have in all? Okay, if I don't know, I'm going to draw a picture. He has 1, 2, 3 packages, okay? 3 packages. There are 12 pencils in each package. 12. I'm trying to figure out how many in all. So here's 12. There are 12 in this package, and there are 12 in this package. So what I'm trying to figure out is 12 plus 12 plus 12, which means I added 12 3 times. Now you might say to yourself, I don't know how to do 12 times 3. What you do know is repeated addition. 12 plus 12 plus 12. Let's count by ones. 2, 4, 6 ones. Now let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30. And when I put 30 and 6 together, I get our answer of 36. Remember, multiplication is repeated addition. So we get 36. Now, is it 36 packages? No, it's 36 pencils. How many pencils does he have? Always go back to the question to look for your unit. He has 36 pencils. All right, now we have our question answered. Now we're going to go down here. Roberto gives 3 of his pencils to each of his friends. How many friends will get 3 pencils each? Pencils per friend, pencils in all. Well, we have to go back because these questions, this one is A and this one is B. So what we have to do here is we have to say, okay, we have 36 pencils. Okay, 36 pencils. He gives 3 of his pencils to each of his friends. Okay, he's going to give 3 pencils to each friend. How many friends will get 3 pencils? So we're trying to figure out how many friends does he have. All right, so we're trying to figure out 36 divided by 3. That's going to give us our answer. So that's our number model, 36 divided by 3. Now, what does this equal? Well, let's think about this. If you know something about fact families, we have 36, we have 3. Look at our problem up here. How are these problems related in a fact family? Think about this. He has 36, he has 12, and he has 3. How many friends would he have? You've got it, 12 friends. Now, if you don't get how the multiplication fact families work, we'll have to practice that. If we didn't know this answer, another way we could get it is we could count by 3s until we got to 36. Okay, that's another way to figure out the problem. All right, let's go on to 2A. A class of 30 children wants to play ball. So there's 30 children in all. Okay. How many teams can be made with exactly 6 players on each team? 6 players on the team. How many teams can be made? That's our question. That's what we're thinking about. All right, so let's do this. 6 people on each team. I'm going to erase over here so I have more room to draw a picture. All right, so here's one team. That's of 6. Here's another team. What's 6 plus another 6? You got it, 12. All right, let's do another team. That's another 6. So what's 12 plus 6? 6, 7, 8, 18. Okay, we need to go another 6 because we still have room. 18 plus 6, 18, count up. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh my goodness, we can do another 6. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, I got to my 30 kids. So what did I do? I took 30 children. I put them into groups of 6, which means I was dividing them out. How many teams did I make? Well, let's count. Here's 1 team, 2 teams, 3 teams, 4 teams, 5 teams. We were able to make 5 teams. Remember your unit, 5 teams. Good job, 3rd graders. Drawing pictures helps me. Some people are good at this in their mind, and that's okay too. I draw pictures to help me understand the problem better. For another game, the same class of 30 children, so we still have 30 children, okay, want to have exactly 4 children on each team. They want to have 4 children on each team. Now they decided, nope, we're not going to have 6 people on the team. Not a lot of people got to play, and it wasn't fair. We can all relate to that, right? So we're looking at now how many teams can they make if they have 4 children on each team. So this time we're taking 30 children, and we're going to divide them onto 4 children on each team. So this time, instead of counting by 6s, we're going to count by, you got it, 4s. Here we go. 1 team is 4. They add 4 to another team. That's 8. We add another 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, that's not everybody yet. We can keep going. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You got it. Well, we can keep going. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 plus another 4. You got it. 24. If you don't have it, count on. 24 plus another 4, 28. Uh-oh. We can't do another 4. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So what happens? We have a remainder. We have 2 kids that are left over because 28, 29, 30. So our answer here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with a remainder of 2. So what is that? That is 7 teams with a remainder of 2 children. So we kind of have 2 different units, okay? 2 different units. All right? So look at drawing pictures helps me be on target. I can draw pictures to solve word problems. I can make sense of the word problems to see what makes sense. Stay on target today and practice your multiplication facts.